Table of 6. Table of 6. 6 is to 1 equals to 6. 6 is to 2 equals to 12. 6 is to 3 equals to 18. 6 is to 4 equals to 24. 6 is to 5 equals to 30. 6 is to 6 equals to 36. 6 is to 7 equals to 42. 6 is to 8 equals to 48. 6 is to 9 equals to 54. 6 into 10 equals to 60. Let's revise table of 6 once again. 6 is to 1 equals to 6. 6 is to 2 equals to 12. 6 is to 3 equals to 18. 6 is to 4 equals to 24. 6 is to 5 equals to 30. 6 is to 6 equals to 36. 6 is to 7 equals to 42. 6 is to 8 equals to 48. 6 is to 9 equals to 54. 6 into 10 equals to 60.